If you are looking for a trading platform that you can rely on with so many options, how do you actually know which is best? Today we are going to put head-to-head Ctrader and Dxtrade and see which one offers better benefits and features. So let's check them out. Alright, so if you are looking for professional grade charting capabilities designed for serious traders, Ctrader probably is a good option. Let's have a look at what else they have to offer. So they have over 50 customizable chart timeframes supporting various trading styles from scalping to position trading. They also have a complete suite of chart types including candlesticks, line, bar, tick, and Renko charts for a more comprehensive analysis. And they also have precision tools including Fibonacci retracements and extensions, trend lines, and pitchforks. You can also include custom indicators so that you can integrate this with proprietary technical indicators for a more personalized analysis. They also have different order types and risk management, so it supports instant market limit and stop orders for precise execution in various market conditions. It is also optimized for execution speeds that are ideal for scalpers and high frequency traders. This, of course, reduces slippage, and it has a built-in stop loss take profit and a trailing stop feature which protects your capital and it locks in your profits. You can handle market volatility by allowing orders to be partially filled when completed and when execution is impossible. Ctrader also has some automation and some copy trading and some APIs. So it has a comprehensive C development environment for creating automated trading robots and custom indicators without any limitations. It also has a social trading platform allowing you as the user to share, follow, and even copy trading strategies with more customizable risk parameters. It has a robust API framework for building custom applications across web, desktop, and mobile platforms for extended functionality. Okay, so let's have a look at Dxtrade now. Dxtrade offers a user-centric design. It is designed around the needs of the user, so it has highly customizable layouts with a drag and drop component system. It also has personalized chart arrangements and indicator settings. It has visual tools for enhanced market interpretation, and you also have a bunch of real-time data tools. So you have live market quotes with millisecond updates, integrated economic calendars with event alerts, a heat map visualization for quick market mover identification, and also a precision order execution with minimal latency. Dxtrade also has fully customizable white label web platforms which allow you as a broker to maintain brand consistency while providing advanced trading tools. It also has a dedicated iOS and an Android application featuring quick order entries, position monitoring, and comprehensive watch lists. It has over 70 built-in technical studies and indicators available across all platforms for consistency and analysis experience. You can also see that some of their tools and integrations include real-time OMS for managing orders, balances, and fix monitoring with status updates. It also supports a whole share, fraction, and national order entry with good till order system, and you can seamlessly connect with executing destinations and existing broker infrastructures. It has a broker to client push notification and message monitoring tool for better service. So if you are having any issues, you can actually use Dxtrade to communicate with your broker. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, make sure that you're using these products and testing them with your own circumstances, your own scenarios, and figuring out which one works best. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.